I'm happy to see you're interested in learning how the Facebook Pixel works and how you can use it in your business to get your products, services, and content in front of the people who are actually going to appreciate it. So the trick is to use the Facebook Pixel to determine the people that are interested in what you're offering and then put the content in front of those specific people. So hopefully the information that I'm going to provide you with today is going to help you get that all set up, get your business running on Facebook. And all you have to do is download the document below. It'll go through, it'll tell you what the Facebook Pixel is, more details on how it works, and then also where to put the code to get it installed into your website. And then after you get that document, it's going to go through the videos where I just go through in more detail and explain how you can actually use it for your business, how you can implement the Facebook Pixel events, and then how you can start getting the content in front of the people who are going to appreciate what you're offering. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. If you see results from the stuff that you learned from the content I'm giving you, definitely let me know. Let me know how it's working. Give me some feedback on what you enjoyed about it. And then also, if you have any questions once you start going through this, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or write me a message through the website. Let me know any questions you have. I could probably help you get it set up. If you don't know where the code's going, let me know. But yeah, enjoy the content. Hopefully it'll help you guys get set up on Facebook, and look forward to hearing from you.